Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lebanon, local and long distance movers near me. We provide movers ready to give you all the options you need, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you choose to book your long-distance move with us, you get all the help you need. We can also help you relocate 100 miles, 1,000, or even 2,000 miles from your current location. Our team is ready to make moving day easier for you. While local move might seem like it's easier to handle, hiring an Illinois moving company just makes sense. The right movers will help you save time and energy, and you'll also get to skip the heavy lifting and risk of injury. With the right help, moving day becomes super simple. 3 Movers offers the right option for your local move. We streamline the process and make it pretty simple to get settled in faster. Our team can also get you moved in quickly. If it would take you all weekend, we can make your move happen in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lebanon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.